Okay. This should finally work! It's the third time I'm trying to do this video. And if it doesn't work here, I am gonna explode. Okay. So, you have seen that my last two... Yeah, I was in clouds. Yay, clouds. I love clouds. The trees I destroyed. I was building my house in the last video. And I didn't continue because I don't like continuing doing stuff without you. Also because I'm lazy, you know. I'm lazy, okay? Don't take for granted that YouTubers that are bad aren't lazy, even if it has a sense, a logical sense. Because if you're lazy, you are bad. In any case, here, every time you hear this thing here, it's me it's me clicking buttons, okay? This is me clicking buttons on a keyboard. This is me clicking buttons on a mouse. So don't get upset with that. Yeah, you remember the big insect thingy that had these jaws? Here. I don't know how to get down on my house. Oh, I have an idea. I have an idea, but I need a lot of wood. And not a lot, but okay, a little bit of a lot of wood, like you know, 1 stack, maybe 2. No, maybe even 4 stacks. So no. I need probably 1 stack would be good, but I need to also make ladders. So 1 stack is not good. And I guess here I am going to not die. Oh my god, a creeper! I need to just set for the world spawn. Now I can finally fight. Creeper fight. Creeper fight. Nope. I'll explode. Yeah, it's snowing! My house will be covered in snow. Can I not die, like, going down to get some wood? I need wood, okay? I do not want to die. Ooh, lava. No. There are a bunch of pigs right down there. No. Oh, it seemed lava. It seemed a creeper. Okay. No, there is lightning. Where did it fall? Please not in my house. And you need to be very unlucky to have lightning fall on your house. So, especially on Minecraft, where the world is 6 million kilometers wide. No, 6 million and 1 kilometers wide. No! That was just so sad. I'm in a cloud. That was just so sad. Oh my god, it's so cool. That was just so sad. A creeper like fell on me. It fell literally in front of me. That was like, what the? I'm gonna probably... Okay. Please. I need to find some sheep and kill them all. This doesn't seem so family friendly. Where can I make the entrance from my house? There. No, there. Where the entrance of my house will be. Okay. There is where. So I have a strange plan for my house, guys. Basically, a house that is really strange. I'm gonna do this. You're gonna see, okay? I don't know how to explain. I'm bad at explaining. Don't blame me for that. I'm just bad. Still, I'm gonna make it tall, not short, tall. Because I want to. But really, I mean, no, I don't want to make it tall. I'm rethinking of that. I'm gonna make it wide, not tall, but wide. Wait, where is okay, yeah. Here's. I love you, Lightning. You're the most horrible. Oh, it didn't work for a second. I thought like they do the wrong crafting for doors, but like putting doors is so easy on Minecraft. So doing the wrong crafting for doors is actually very noobish. An apology to every person in the world who did do an error while crafting doors. Damn it! Oof. 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 Cool. Oh look, wood. Exactly what I needed. Can I jump in? No. Oh my god, it's no, it's on another mountain. No fair. How do I jump from here? Be careful and you will live. Do not be careful and you will die. I thought I was about to die. Can you imagine in real life walking down this thing on a mountain put like this? Be like, what? I'm gonna try a desperate fall for it, okay? I won't make it. I'm a boring student! How do I get down from this mountain? Because there is no, like, water ponds close to me. There is... Oh, I've got a path. I am back! Wait. I have an idea! I'm a genius. I have an idea! I'm a genius again. Yay! I made it! No! You died! I am not very okay with dying, so... Skeleton, hey, zombie friendly, not me. In your zombie friend, not me, okay? I told you not to hit me. Oh, we are hitting each other. Yay. No, don't kill zombie friendly. You can kill only spidery unfriendly. No! I have no spider loot. This is so, oh my god. The zombie with the helmet. No, it's not a zombie. There was behind the zombie, a skeleton. And I confused it for a helmet. No offense to all of the skeletons who are watching me right now on my YouTube channel. What? Nope. Why did I die? No, not Enderman. No! I I had spider fingies. No! No, not my sword, 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 not my sword. Where is my sword? Where is the only good thing I have in this world? Where is it? My only weapon. It's not my only. Not also the Enderman. I do not also want an Enderman trying to kill me. I said I do not but I do. Die. Die. No. No. Nope. As soon as I die, I end the video, okay? Bye-bye. Have a great time. How did it not die? How does this thing not die? I killed it 12. I shot it 4 times. Oh my god. I need to get some coal. I mean, I'm good at hardcore. I'm not. And the reason I'm not good at hardcore is a really simple one. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna end the world of me. Hey. No. Nah, man. Hey, man. Hey, look, it's me. Mario. Look. Mario. Look. If I go here, I have 15 hardcores. I don't even know if I died. Did I die in number 15? Did I die? I think yes. No, it didn't die. Now I remember about this hardcore. Yeah, oh yeah, I was trying to go get up there. And it's pretty hard. I made this to get up there. I hope I just don't die now. So to get up there, I had to make a big ladder. It's also really complicated, see? Goes down the mountain, yeah. And so this is the end of the video. This is how the video will end because I cannot make it longer than 15 minutes. So, guys, I'm gonna make it long 14 minutes and 59 seconds. I'm gonna take a risk. 51, 52. This is so 5. This is 6.